Hi there, welcome back to my channel Code Canvas. In previous video, we learned about enabled CSS pseudo selector with few examples. In this video, I will explain first letter pseudo element. So, the first letter is a pseudo element which allows you to style the first letter in an element without needing it to stick a span tag around that first letter in your HTML. So, while no tags are added to the DOM, it is as if the targeted first letter was bound in a tag. You can style that first letter as you would do in a real element. For example, you have one p tag, a paragraph. The first letter is bold and red, for example. So right now there is no style. But if you want to style the first letter, you can write P first letter, font weight bold and color red. Let's inspect that P paragraph, and here it is. P first letter pseudo class and the style. So it will be like P first letter T and then rest of the paragraph. But this is not possible. This is just an example that how it will treat. Let me show you with one more example. For example, I have one paragraph and I'm writing the first letter is capital T, and I'm repeating this paragraph 4 times. And to style those, I'm writing P first letter, for example, border 1 pixel solid, font weight bold, color red, and it will style all the first letters. So as you can see, the border is there, 1 pixel solid, font weight is bold, and the color is red. So let me show you some other styles. P paragraph end of type 2 and before before and I'm adding some content. Let's say hey is the content. Let's see. As you can see here in this paragraph, the second paragraph, in the before the content is added, and with this content the first letter H, it is styled as per the CSS, the first letter. So it can style using this pseudo selector as well. Let me add some other CSS and of type 3. It will select the third paragraph. Before, let me add some content, and in content I can add open quote. Let's see. So you can add quote here as well, the third paragraph, and it is as given style. So color red and font weight bold, it is applied to this quote. And the last CSS, we can write down p n of type 4, first letter, color blue, for example, text decoration underline, and let's see how it looks. So as you can see here, the first character here, the first character is blue as per our CSS, and text decoration is underlined, but for a single letter only, not for a paragraph. So the pseudo element only works if the parent element is a block container box. In other words, you can say it doesn't work on the first letter if display inline elements. The second thing is, if you have both first letter and first line on an element, the first letter will inherit from the first line styles, but styles on first letter will override when styles conflicts. So if you generate content with before and the first letter of punctuation letter character, whether it's a part of the original text node or created with the generated content, it will target with this pseudo first letter. As you can see here, the before, still it is targeted with first letter. So this was the overview for first letter CSS pseudo element. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. That's all for this video. See you next time. Thank you.